Welcome to Cozumel, Mexico. Today we're aboard the Margaritaville at Sea Islander, and we have come into the International Cruise Terminal, also known as the SSA Pier. Come with us as we're going to take you to Margaritaville here right in the port area.
Thank you.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew. So right behind me you see the Norwegian Escape in the Margaritaville Islander, and you can see how far we've walked. I'm giving you a view of the distance here that we've walked from the ship and how much farther it is to the port area. There are no pedicabs here, so you'll have to do the walk. But watch out for that red line over there that marks where you're not supposed to be walking. This is why people fall off a pier sometimes. They cross over that line that says, "Do not cross the red line." Like the lady ahead here on the left. She's over the line, so be careful and don't do that. As you approach the entrance, there will be a line where you're going to have to walk past a dog and a group of people who are going to be checking your bags. And what they're looking for is any food items that you may have tried to bring off the ship. So don't try to bring your banana or your boiled eggs or a muffin or anything off the ship. They're just going to take it away from you. Once you cross over into the port area, looking to your right, you're going to see third-party excursions, rentals, and tours. So if you didn't book any excursions off the ship, or any rentals or tours, you can do it on your own right here. You'll also find a duty-free shop here. That's the big yellow building. And over to the right, we're going to find the zone sign. That's if you have booked a cruise excursion through the cruise ship. This is where you'll line up so they can take you there. Right here, you're going to find a sign that's going to tell you where the ATM is, where the taxis are, where the tiki huts are, and where you can find Wi-Fi. And of course, the evacuation route. But there is so much shopping here, you could easily spend a couple of hours just walking around and through all the shops. And don't miss the great photo opportunities there are here in this port. Here's just one of them, the Cozumel sign with your cruise ship right behind it. I think I'll head over here and take a selfie. Maybe it'll be the thumbnail for this video. We had a great time here. Feel free to go sit in these chairs and sit with the props, get your photo taken, and just have a good old time here in Cozumel. We didn't know which port we were going to be in this day while we were in Cozumel, but it turns out that the Margaritaville at Sea Islander parked at the port called the International Cruise Terminal, which just so happens to be the home of the Margaritaville. So we're sitting here at the Margaritaville and I'm capturing all this beautiful view and just relaxing. Now if you're at the port just south of there, 3 miles away, which is Puerto Maya, you can catch a cab up here so that you can spend the day at Margaritaville like we did. It has all the same menu selections and drinks like you'd expect to see in any Margaritaville. And as expected, it got crowded fast. Okay, while we're in Margaritaville here in Cozumel, we got these. I got the Soul beer, and Robin from Sea Lake Journeys, I believe there has a jalapeno margarita. And for your amusement pleasure, I'm going to leave this video here of Robin from Sea Lake Journeys trying to take a picture of this with our waitress's name, Atenia, and the fan kept blowing it over. I just found it quite amusing. Hopefully you will too. But that's just the kind of fun we were having. Just a great day. A really relaxing port to go to, and Margaritaville is fun on land or on sea. We recommend them both to you. Come on, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys, you can do it. Watching the tables around us and the people coming and going, the service was very fast and very efficient. And very friendly, I might add. Now, if you're lucky, you'll get a spot over there by a fan because it can be really hot there. We're going to take you around to the other side of the Margaritaville restaurant and bar. But first, we're going to walk past these big long lines of people waiting for their shore excursions. That's what these lines are. But we're taking you over here to the trading post, as they call it. And this is where you can come on in here and get your favorite Margaritaville merchandise. You can get yourself a cheeseburger in paradise. Or a slap bracelet. They've got shirts, hats, and everything else in between. Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, who do you think makes the better pirate here? The big old pirate bird or me from Sea Lake Journeys? I don't know, I think we kind of make a good team. Let me know in the comments below. Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is so photogenic. She's like a thumbnail making machine. It'll be soon time to leave port, but we gotta go out here and get some more photos of our beautiful ship, the Margaritaville at Sea Islander, and maybe get some more thumbnails. We just couldn't resist going by that Cozumel sign one more time to try to get some more thumbnail opportunities for Sea Lake Journeys. But there was a lot of people walking by. That's okay. They're on vacation. Let them have a good time like we're doing. A big shout out to our waitress Atenia. She was fantastic. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we hope that you get to one day go to the International Cruise Terminal in Cozumel and take a stop at Margaritaville. You won't regret it. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and check out more of our videos. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.